Hello everyone. This is a short explanation of the past perfect. First, let's talk about the use of the past perfect. So when this is the time, and this point is now, then obviously this part is in the past. We already know that when we talk about the past tense, we use the simple past. When we want to talk about something that is even earlier or further back, we use the past perfect. The past perfect is built with had plus the past participle, which is also the third form. Here is an example. Yesterday I bought a new car is obviously past tense. My old one had broken down 3 days before, which is 3 days earlier in the past. Signal words for the past perfect are before, after, and earlier. Thanks for listening.